Okay, we're back again. Sorry about that. Because of the safety locks, you can't use just one hand to open the door. It's got to be two. Anyways, hang up your towels and your swim shorts. This is a diving pool. All the equipment looks really good. The pool heater's looking good. The roof is new. It's got mountain views. Love it. So hopefully it will make the next buyer very happy, which I suspect it will. So I'm gonna wrap this up and upload it to YouTube tonight. Hopefully it'll look great. And if you want to have a private tour, that's no problem. Give me a call, 480-203-3704. Again, I'm Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby, Scottsdale. And I will be here tomorrow from noon to 3, and you can come by and see me. I'll have some icy pops because tomorrow's supposed to be 108 or 110 degrees, something like that. And I won't be standing out here for too long, but I will be enjoying some ice cream. Thank you for watching.